This is a 360 video. To look around, on your phone, drag the image or use a VR headset. Today's job is a flyby over a highway construction site in Florida. Later, using our video in the comfort of their offices, engineers will do their analysis and work progress follow-up. Nothing better than powerful 360 imagery to have a complete view of what's going on at the job site. 360 imagery opens new horizons for monitoring and surveying. You do not stay restricted to just one-sided view only. Just drag the image and you are able to view all around, up and down. After you experience 360 imagery, you do not want to go back to the old-fashioned way. Call, text or WhatsApp us at 954-445-4357. You can also visit our website at hiredroneservices.com. Stay tuned, we will post more 360 videos to our channel. If you enjoyed our video, please give the thumbs up and subscribe. God bless America.